Are you tired of the same old home decor and gadgets? Ready to unleash your creativity and bring your wildest designs to life? Then the world of 3D printing is about to blow your mind. In this article, we'll take a deep dive into the diverse landscape of 3D printers, exploring the different types and their unique capabilities. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a budding entrepreneur, or simply someone curious about the future of manufacturing, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate the exciting 3D printing revolution. First up, let's talk about the backbone of the 3D printing industry, the fused deposition modeling (FDM) printers. These workhorses are renowned for their affordability and user-friendliness, making them a favorite among hobbyists and small businesses. With their ability to churn out sturdy plastic parts, FDM printers are perfect for creating functional prototypes, custom design tools, and even intricate decorative pieces. But wait, there's more. Stepping up the game, we have stereolithography slaw printers, which use light-activated resin to produce incredibly detailed and smooth 3D objects. These precision machines excel at creating high-quality miniatures, jewelry, and dental appliances, making them a go-to choice for artists, jewelers, and healthcare professionals. If you're looking to work with a wider range of materials, the selective laser sintering (SLS) printers might be just what you need. These powerhouses can handle everything from nylon and polycarbonate to metal powders, allowing you to fabricate robust and durable parts for industrial applications, automotive components, and even aerospace engineering. And let's not forget the rising stars of the 3D printing world, the digital light processing (DLP) and continuous liquid interface production clip printers. These innovative technologies are pushing the boundaries of speed and precision, enabling the creation of intricate, high-resolution models in a fraction of the time. The world of 3D printing is constantly evolving, and the capabilities of these machines are truly awe-inspiring. Whether you're interested in prototyping, product design, or simply want to unleash your creativity, there's a 3D printer out there that's perfect for your needs. Ready to explore the endless possibilities of 3D printing? Join us on our journey as we dive deeper into this exciting field. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more 3D printing tutorials, product reviews, and inspirational projects. Let's create something amazing together.